GM in Denmark. We are a machine builder specializing in label equipment. And today we're going to talk a little bit about our compact screen unit. The compact screen unit is a unit to make it easy to add really nice screen effects, high build varnish or special colors in a compact platform with very low cost tooling, conventional flatbed tooling. So let's just have a look at how this machine actually works. I'm going to go through the individual components one by one and let you know how this thing works. So we start with an unwind. It's a kinematic spindle, 3-inch. Then there is a nice splice table with 2 kinematic clamps. After this we have a web guide to ensure that the paper goes straight into the machine. There are some kinematics here where you control the web tension on dancers and so on, but normally you don't touch these. Then we have the heart of the machine. That is the flatbed screen unit, conventional with a squeegee moving back and forward. The frame is also a conventional screen frame. You can reuse frames from other machines or buy frames from us. They are really easy to have made locally, or you may even have equipment in your own facility to make the screens. After the screen unit we have a UV lamp. This is a special lamp for curing high build varnish or high build screens, so it has a broader area than a conventional flexo lamp, so you get a good long exposure. After this we have the finished product. Here is a little extra web space so you can inspect the web while the machine is running. But let's just have a little look on the actual samples here before we run the machine. So if you zoom in here, I don't know if we can get a nice angle here, but here we have a really high build. You can see the screen building up here. I'll show you a few samples from actual wine labels a little later in the video. But now let's try and run the machine. Before we run, we can have a little look at the touchscreen. On the touchscreen, because this is a fully servo-driven machine, we can control the speed and the tension, and we can also control the squeegee speed. So this is the nice thing about digital machines. Everything you control in this machine is done in a digital way, so you don't have to move handles or set brakes or something like this. So let's start up really slow so you can see what's going on. And if we look down here, now the coder is running, the screen printer is running. You see the conventional squeegee. It's pressing the ink forward and backward. The actual pressure you can set here on those 2 adjusters, so the pressure of the squeegee. Everyone familiar with a conventional screen press will find this very easy to handle. We just digitalized it a little bit more and made it a little smarter. Now I'm gonna speed up the machine a bit here from the touch screen. So you will see the squeegee going quicker. And I'm also going to speed up the web. So now we are running on an average speed of 9 meters per minute. If you have a longer image you can go faster, but this is a really typical production speed for a wine label with high to medium high build. I'm just going to pause the machine a little bit now and then we can look at some samples. Here we have some of the labels we have done. You can see the nice high screen here on the Cooper and also on the sparkling water. So that's one sample. We have done a lot of labels. Let me find some with really nice screening. There's one particular one here. These are all wine labels with hot foil, but here's a good one. Here you can see the lady has a very nice effect in the hair, high build. And here we have a black digital with a clear high build varnish on top, also a really nice effect. So these kind of effects, all you need is a conventional flatbed frame like this one. These are locally available. You can get them exposed either internally or locally. If you have any questions or would like to know how to do wine labels, we can help you with both frames, inks, and tips and tricks of how to run your jobs. So have a look at our webpage, gm.dk, and see more videos and information on our machines. Thank you.